What's going on, guys? Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the iPhone XS Max. Alright guys, so today I picked up the iPhone XS Max, as you can see right there. Hopefully the reflection is not bothering you guys too much. But yeah, I picked up the 2 to 6 gigs, the space gray, or some people call it just black. As you can see right there, I don't know if you can see it, but right there. So let's get started. Okay, here we go. And like I said, guys, this is just gonna be an unboxing. All right. Here we go. Good. Take this off. Designed by Apple. Designed by Apple in California. Alright, let's go through. This is a pamphlet. I guess this is just letting you know how to use the phone in terms of the gestures and all that good stuff. Apps, power off. Yeah, that's about it. Put that to the side. And this is your I guess key in order to put in your SIM to the phone. I put it to the side. And this is just your user guide for the Apple. It's kind of small, but put it to the side. And you have your usual stickers. Nothing fancy. Simple Apple stickers. Everybody have seen those, and that's about it. All right, so I'll put those to the side for the moment, and here's what everybody is looking forward to see. This is the phone. I'll take it out, put that to the side. We're not ready for that yet. And this is your power block for your phone. They still haven't put in the fast charger, but hey, you know, I'm still upset about that. But you know, you're spending over $1,200 for a phone. You'd expect them to put the best in. But anyway, put it to the side. When you lift this up, you see your regular headphone jack. Yeah, nothing fancy. Nothing fancy. And here is your power. Alright, nothing fancy. Let's look around. Nothing more. That's pretty much it, guys. So like I said, this was a quick unboxing. Let me look at the phone. This is the phone right here. Looks pretty good. What can I say? It's just, the iPhone looks really good. Feels really good too. Nice weight to it. I'm rocking the let me get that real quick. I'm rocking the 6S Plus right now. They're pretty much the same size. Let me put this over here. I'll clear this. Hold on one second, guys. Okay, so this is they're pretty much the same size. Obviously mine is in the case, but yeah, they're pretty much the same size. Obviously there's no fingerprint anymore. Everything's about gestures and Face ID. All right, guys, so that's about it, guys. So like I said, it's a quick unboxing of that. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll probably be giving a review on my take on the phone itself, and just to see whether or not I like it, and yeah, we'll take it from there. Oh yeah, let me just give you guys that nice sound of just peeling off plastic right there. That satisfying feeling. Nice. That looks really good, guys. I must say, it looks absolutely gorgeous. Clean. Well, it is a brand new phone, so Yeah, clean. Pour it on. There's any power in it? I don't think there. Oh, there is some power in there, as you can see right there. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm gonna set it up and start using it and see what it's like. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. I know it's a nice and quick one. You guys probably most like that. And thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, please like and definitely subscribe to my channel. I'm pretty much new to this. I'm actually a wedding photographer, and you know, I want to probably get into doing this a bit more, you know, a little more frequently. So like I said guys, thanks for watching. Anyway, peace out.